Kunli, a rising star in the bustling real estate market, strategically positioned near Sonipat, Delhi, and Gurugram. These cities have flourished as hubs of commerce, innovation, and culture. Now it's Kunli's turn to shine. Over the past few years, Kunli has undergone a remarkable transformation. Experience seamless travel with Urban Extension Road 2, your direct link from Kunli to Delhi Airport. Plus, the future RRTS metro corridor will enhance connectivity to Delhi and beyond, weaving the entire NCR region into your daily commute. Kunli stands out as the sole center of industries around Delhi, poised for unprecedented growth driven by urbanization. With a surge of development projects, enhanced infrastructure, and the arrival of top multinational companies, this area is rapidly becoming a sought-after destination for investors and homeowners alike. The improved road connectivity, highlighted by the state-of-the-art Kundli, Manesar, Palwal, KMP Expressway, has made travel to and from major cities seamless. This new era of connectivity is fueling growth, attracting businesses, and opening up new opportunities. The time for Kunli has arrived, and the future looks brighter than ever. Kunli's strategic location and enhanced connectivity are the cornerstones of its rapid development. As we explore this dynamic area, let's take a closer look at the nearby amenities, key roadways, and significant developments that make Kunli a prime destination. With UER2 and the RRTS metro corridor, the region boasts unrivaled transportation options, providing effortless access to Delhi and the entire NCR. UER2 promises a quick 20-minute commute to IGI Airport, revolutionizing your travel experience. The area is emerging as a vibrant educational hub with prestigious institutions like Ashoka University, IIT Delhi Sonipat Campus, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Law University, SRM University, and OP Jindal Global University all nearby. This dynamic academic environment promises to be a significant advantage for families and individuals, offering unparalleled opportunities for learning and growth. And at the heart of this vibrant community stands the TDI Group, a name synonymous with excellence and vision. Let's take a panoramic view of Kunli and see how TDI Group is shaping the future of this region. Welcome to TDI Lake Grove, where community living reaches new heights. With over 500 Indian families already residing here, TDI Lake Grove offers a welcoming and inclusive environment for everyone. Our community is also a favored spot for the Japanese employees of the Maruti Suzuki plant, who frequently visit, enriching the cultural tapestry of our neighborhood. Spanning over acres of lush greenery, TDI Lake Grove offers an unparalleled living and purchase experience as beyond its scenic beauty. At Lake Grove in Kundli, your safety is our priority. Enjoy multi-tier security with advanced surveillance and 24/7 security personnel. Plus, with our occupancy certificate OC received, TDI Lake Grove is fully compliant and ready for you to move in with peace of mind, both investors and home buyers. Though Kundli is just 0 kilometers from Delhi, the air quality in Kundli is remarkably better. While Delhi's AQI stands at 233, Kundli enjoys a much healthier level below 140. This significant difference ensures a cleaner and more breathable environment for you and your family. As you enter the project, you are greeted by a picturesque lake, the centerpiece of this exclusive community. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of water and enjoying a morning stroll along the lakeside. The club, a hub of activity and relaxation. On the ground floor, indulge in a variety of cuisines with our all-day dining options, offering delicious choices to satisfy every palate. Features state-of-the-art fitness facilities, a sparkling swimming pool, and elegant spaces for social gatherings. Convenience is at your doorstep with a range of stores and essential services within the project. Green spaces are a hallmark of TDI Lake Grove, with meticulously landscaped gardens, jogging tracks, and playgrounds. Providing a perfect setting for outdoor activities, from sports courts to outdoor seating areas and community spaces. Every amenity is designed to enhance your lifestyle. This is more than just a place to live, it's a place to thrive. Step into your future home. This ready-to-move-in apartment comes with an approved occupancy certificate, offering investors and buyers a hassle-free, worry-free buying experience. Our spacious living rooms are perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening with family. The kitchens are a chef's delight, featuring high-end appliances, stylish finishes, and ample storage space. The master bedroom is a sanctuary, offering panoramic windows, an ensuite bathroom with modern fixtures, and a walk-in closet that caters to all your needs. Secondary bedrooms are equally well appointed, providing comfort and style for family members or guests. Each apartment is designed to maximize natural light and ventilation, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Balconies offering stunning views of the surrounding landscape, providing a perfect spot to unwind after a long day. At TDI Lake Grove, we've thought of everything to ensure that your home is a perfect blend of elegance and practicality. Discover your new lifestyle at TDI Lake Grove, where luxury, convenience, and nature come together in perfect harmony.